Make a great choice today with the 2010 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, XM satellite radio, 3rd row seat, quad seating, air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.